see some more down the hill here, and I'll see if Clancy joins me. Right now she's ahead of me, of course, you can see that. But let's see if she gets under my legs. Watch out, Clancy. Oh, she's not. Anyway, it's a beautiful street. The dogs are having fun. I'm having a good time. Now she might get under my legs. As I ski down through the trees. Slow down here a little bit, but we should pick it up soon and continue on our way. There she is, trying to keep up with me, having the time of her life. Now we come down to the last little opening. So, for those of you who wonder where I am, I'm heading down towards Ethel's home place, coming down just out of Ethel's forest pasture into I'm in Fran Marshes, or the Ralston place now, and now heading towards Ethel's house. And you can tell it's a crusty snow this morning, but it's perfect for skiing. And I'm getting some nice little speed, not much, not like those downhill skiers. But I got a good workout this morning. Let's see if you can, I'll zoom in on Ethel. Might have to stop up here at the cattle guard. I think I see where it's caved in there. Don't want to get my skis caught. There's Ethel's home place and the trailer. And now I've got to stop because I'm coming to Spring Creek and the cattle guard. All right, everybody.